Carefully place the second row cages starting at one side of the arrangement. Be careful about the thin metal edge at the bottom of the new cage. This edge should overhang the cage below and cover the joint. Remove the face screws at the bottom corners of the new cage. Then slide the cage sideways to line up behind the T-bracket and reinstall the screws through the bracket. Notice how the upper latch plate on the bottom cage has been loosened and the flange of the upper cage fits behind it. Where the cages in the upper row meet and there's no lower intersection to attach them to using a bracket, we install a small hidden J-bracket that slides in between the sheet metal face of the cage and the welded frame behind. These have a screw hole and should be slid over until they line up with the bottom screw and the corner. The bottom of the J-bracket should be hooked onto the sheet metal lip of the cage below. Proceed to install the appropriate bracket, in this case T. At the top of this cage, we will remove the face screws and loosely install the appropriate bracket, in this case the T again.